just now ordered I Bloom cheeseburger for $30 when I really could have went to Michael's and got it for $2. A Hello Kitty cake roll I wanted, but didn't happen. And this Korilla ice cream, but it's not like Korilla. And I just asked her if they were my purchased items, and she said yes, they are. She put personal information in the corner. Like, she has an iPhone 5S, and she put some personal information right there, so I'm trying to cover it up. So I'm the blue text messages, and she's the green. And she said, sorry, I'm so sorry. She said, yes, they are. Sorry if it's not focusing. But I'm kind of tense out, so you guys could send me squishies. If you DM me off Instagram, I will be sure to get back to you. Or if you want to give me a review, I could go live on Instagram. I will put my Instagram down below. And I'm just mad at what I got. But it's really slow rising, kind of-ish. I'm so mad. But you can't do anything about it when you got scammed, but and she sent it in this huge package with the other bunch of squishies that I didn't even order. Like splat balls and stuff like that, and they're like all hard, and they're not even what I wanted. They're a bunch of squishies I already have, or the extras are disgusting. Like, she gave me these jelly beans. They're not open, thank God, but still. What I'm gonna do? Don't know. And I hate when people don't appreciate the squishies that they get, or for extras. Like this girl, she got a Korilla stack of pancakes, a blueberry kind, and she's like, ugh, no offense, but I hate this extra. Like, she kept repeating it over and over again. Yeah, and she was being kind of mean, like, because she hated the extra, and she didn't send a list of stuff, so she gave me a baseball squishy extra. And this jelly bean, so that's good. And kind of mad. I'm not going to link anything down below except for my Instagram, because I'm quite mad. and I'm just not going to link anything or anything about my Instagram because I'm quite mad right now. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe down below or up in the corner. Hit that like button, and if you do subscribe, hit the notification button so whenever I upload a video, you could be the first one to see it. Bye!